again to talk about the second source, which is there on your page number 56 of the textbook. Why kinfolk quarreled, which means कि उस समय के लोग आपस में स्वजन जो आपस में जिनमें भाईचारा होता था उनके बीच में लड़ाई क्यों होती थी. Why kinfolks quarreled. This is an excerpt from the Adi Parvan. Adi means the first, the beginning, and Parvan means the chapter. Okay, so this is an excerpt from Adi Parvan, literally the first section, the first chapter of the Sanskrit Mahabharata, describing why conflicts arose amongst the Kauravas and the Pandavas. This all of you know that this is a story of two cousin brothers. The Kauravas were the sons of Dhritarashtra, and the Pandavas were their cousins. Okay, the Pandavas were the sons of Pandav. Dhritarashtra and Pandav, they both were the brothers. Since Dhritarashtra was blind, his younger brother Pandu ascended the throne of Hastinapur because it was the rule that whosoever had to be there on the throne as a ruler must not have any kind of physical deformity, disorder, whereas Dhritarashtra was blind. So Pandu got the chance to be the ruler of Kuru. However, Hastinapura, sorry. However, after the premature death of Pandu, but Pandu died because he had jaundice, the liver disorder disease, so he died. Dhritarashtra became the king. As the royal princes were still very young because Yudhishthira was very young, so he could not be the ruler. So Dhritarashtra was given the throne for the time being till he gets matured. As the princes grew up together, the citizens of the Hastinapur began to express their preference for Pandavas, for they were more capable and virtuous than the Kauravas. Now, when जब ये राजकुमार जो थे वो बड़े हो गए तो जो वहाँ की जनता थी, हस्तिनापुर के जो लोग थे, नागरिक थे, उन्होंने पांडवों को शासक बनने के लिए अपनी इच्छा, उनकी जो रुचि थी वो जताई, क्योंकि वे कौरवों के मुकाबले अधिक योग्य और सदाचारी थे, है ना, क्योंकि दे वर मोर जुडिशियस, दे हैड मोर विजडम. इस बात से कौरवों में ज्येष्ठ दुर्योधन को बहुत ईर्ष्या होती थी. दुर्योधना, you must have seen in Mahabharata also serial. This made Duryodhana, the eldest of the Kauravas, jealous. He approached his father and said, उसने अपने father को approach किया and said, you yourself did not receive the throne, although it fell to you because of your defect. If the Pandavas receives the patrimony from Pandu, his son will surely inherit it in turn, and so will his son and his son, right? We ourselves with our sons shall be excluded from the royal succession and become a slight regard in the eyes of the world, Lord of earth. अब क्या कहते हैं कि अपूर्णता के कारण, मतलब you were not fit, physically fit, because you had some deformity, so you were not given the throne. Rather, Pandu was no more, so you were given the throne out of the chance. हालांकि आपको प्राप्त हो गया, ठीक है, एनी हाउ. बट यदि पांडु से वो विरासत प्राप्त करते तो उसके बाद उनके पुत्र और उनके भी पुत्र, मतलब उनकी ये पैतृक इनहेरिटेड प्रॉपर्टी हो जाती, और हम तथा हमारे पुत्र इस राज्य के उत्तराधिकार से बेदखल होकर चारों तरफ ऐसे ही घूमते रहते. तो ये बात तो बिल्कुल सही थी, ठीक है. उन्होंने कहा कि लॉर्ड ऑफ द अर्थ, मतलब हम पृथ्वी पर ऐसे ही घूमते रहते. पैसेजेस सच एज दीज मे नॉट हैव बीन लिटरली ट्रू, ये बिल्कुल सही नहीं होगा, बट दे गिव अस एन आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट दोज हु रोट द टेक्स्ट थॉट. Sometimes, as in this case, they contain conflicting ideas. There are very conflicting ideas expressed in such kind of paragraphs. This is a battle of Kurukshetra. Now the questions and answers. What was the name of Dhritarashtra's brother? He was Pandu. What was the relation between the Kauravas and the Pandavas? They both were cousins. Pandu was the younger brother of Dhritarashtra, and the Kauravas were the sons of Dhritarashtra, and the Pandavas were their cousins, means they were the sons of Pandu. What do you mean by Adi Parvan? What this text is describing about? The Adi Parvan refers to the first section of the Sanskrit Mahabharata. Okay, first section of the first chapter. It is describing about why conflicts arose amongst the Kauravas and the Pandavas. This is 2 marks. Why conflict arose amongst the Kauravas and the Pandavas? Very easy to explain. The conflicts arose amongst the Kauravas and the Pandavas because since Dhritarashtra was blind, his younger brother Pandu ascended the throne of Hastinapur. However, after the premature death of the Pandu, Dhritarashtra became king as the royal princes were still very young. The citizens of Hastinapur began to express their preference for Pandavas, and this made Duryodhana angry. Okay? And he was very jealous. The immediate dispute between the Kauravas and the Pandavas arose from a game of dice, which Duryodhana won by deceit, forcing his Pandavas cousins to transfer their entire territories to Kauravas, that means Hastinapur, and to go into exile for 13 years. So, this was all about this particular source. Thank you very much.